welcome back. Women Grand Master Soumya Swaminathan is in joint lead along with 4 other players at the end of 4th round of 41st National Women's Challenger Chess Championship at Pede Sports Complex in Mapsa. Top Goan player and recently crowned Commonwealth champion Bhakti Kulkarni suffered a shocking defeat on Tuesday and lost a joint top position. Elsewhere, Ivana Furtado bounced back into joint second position.
Second seed Soumya Swaminathan of PSPB is now on 4 points, winning all the rounds so far. Similarly, International Master Subbaraman Vijayalakshmi of Air India, International Master Nisha Mohota of PSPB, Women Grand Master Swati Ghate of LIC and Amruta Mokal of Maharashtra are also in the joint lead at the end of the 4th round. Soumya, with ELO rating of 2352, defeated fellow WGM Kiran Manisha Mohanty of LIC on Tuesday afternoon.
It's quite tiring actually because everyone is playing well, so I have to really work hard to win. But yeah, I'm happy with myself.
Today's match, I think, lasted almost for around 5 hours. So, how do you keep your concentration in such a grueling game?
Well, of course. It's obvious that I could not keep my concentration because she got a lot of counterplay. So, but I think both of us, in time pressure, it's normal to make mistakes, and we both made a lot of mistakes, and then finally I won. But well, the secret is to drink a lot of water.
There was a major upset in store for Goans as WGM Bhakti Kulkarni with ELO rating of 2328 lost to Amruta Mokal with rating of 2070. Bhakti is now in 3rd position with 3 points. Top seed and WGM Padmini Raut of Orissa and Women International Master Ivana Furtado of Goa won their respective matches and now share the 2nd position with 3.5 points each. The 41st National Women's Challengers Chess Championship in progress here at Pede Mapsa is using the technology to its maximum. The top 20 boards are connected through an online system, and the games are going live on the internet.
This is round number 4. What we are seeing is table number 2. It's the game between Mokal, Amruta, Sunil and the Women Grand Master Bhakti Kulkarni of Goa. Here you can see that a player will be operating the moves. After making the move, she will be operating the move in the small instrument called Monroy. And it will be transmitted live, and wherein a control system is there. From the control system, the live game will be seen throughout the world in the official website of AACF. If you see this game, you can find that black has just completed move number 21. Yeah. And when they make the move, it will immediately reach
any top tournament in the national and the international level can be tracked through this website called monroy.com.
Yes.
With Shamsundar Farte, this is Neeraj Prabhu from Pede in Mapsa for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.